All right, today let's go into Bybit transaction. How to transact on Bybit and make thousands of dollars on Bybit. So I'm going to be putting you through on how to transact on Bybit, how to swap your USDT to any cryptocurrency you want, and how to swap back to USDT in this video. So just stay back, make sure you watch to the end, and please comment on the video. If you have any question, any opinion, you can drop it on the comment section and I will attend to it. That's a promise. I will attend to whatever question you have in the comment section. So let's dive in. So now this is Bybit. So this is how to swap your USDT to a token on Bybit. So I'm going to use Ethereum for example on this Bybit. So now you click on sports. You click on sports. Sports, they wrote sports. This sports, that's where you click. So now if you check here now, you see that they wrote Flocky here. And they wrote Flocky slash USD. The reason why this Flocky slash USD here is because the last token I bought was Flocky. So if you want to buy, make sure it's on buy. If you want to sell it, you should click on sell. But right now it's on buy because I want to buy. So this particular place they wrote Flocky is where you click on if you want to click. You understand me? Because any token you buy last is what is going to be written slash USDT. You understand me? So you click on this Flocky. This Flocky, I repeat. You click on this Flocky. Now to take you to search. So you want to buy Ethereum. So let's search ET. Ethereum will come out. So ETH slash USDT. You see? There's Ethereum USDT spot, there is Ethereum USDC. What we are buying is Ethereum USDT, not USDC. Ethereum USDT, which is the first one. You click on it. You understand me? You click on the first one, which is Ethereum USDT. So to take you here now. So now you want to buy. So make sure it's on buy. The buy should be your icon should be on the buy. If you check where you see it's on buy, so make sure it's on buy. You see it? If you want to sell, you can actually click on sell, but now we are buying, so you should be on buy. So make sure it's on market order. I've told you that when on Bybit, make sure this is on market order. So you drag to the end if you want to buy with all your USDT. So I'm not having this thing, but I've clicked on buy. So that is what you do. Then you click on this last buy Ethereum they wrote at the down. That is large green. So just the same process like Bitget I showed you. So I'm not having US. That is why it did not buy, but that's just the process.